Good morning, ammo seekers. It's a beautiful Monday in Houston, Texas, and we are once again looking for some ammo. Will we find it? Maybe if we pray and go to church, we can find it. First things first. We're at the West Road location. I had some people reach out to me and tell me there's going to be a line today. There's a little bit of ammo, and holy smokes, there's quite the line today. Let's see if the usual suspects are here. Yes, they are. There is a ton of people, but I'm just going to enjoy my quick breakfast and then go stand in line with the mob. It's about 8:30. Look at this crazy line. Holy smacks.
Caliber you looking for? Right there. Have you seen the
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
not for about 2 or 3 weeks?
They didn't have 380.
Yeah, they got 380.
You got everything today.
What kind of donuts you like?
Yeah, I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
You're gonna get a whole bunch of donuts,
I know.
bro.
Shit, I give them to my team. It's all good.
Oh, look at this. You don't see hardly any of this. Let's do.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
I put 3 of these.
Oh.
3 of these.
Look at that. That's a good thumbnail. First ammo location was pretty good. Let's try and run over to another academy real quick and see if we can score again. A lot of people walking out with empty hands. It's never a good sign. All right, scored some 22 at this academy. Not bad. Let's see. Let's go to the Woodlands. Hey guys, make sure you build your network. While I was in line down here, a subscriber told me there's a bunch of ammo up in the Woodlands. And also I had 2 text messages telling me that there was a bunch of ammo up in the Woodlands. So build your local network, guys. It does pay off. And since the Woodlands is only about 10 minutes away from where I'm at, I'm gonna run up there and just check it out. I'm at the Woodlands Academy. I see, again, people walking around with no ammo. So I don't know, let's see. Let's see what they got. About 9:30, there's still a pretty healthy line. Let's see. We'll find out when we get there.
That's a 9? Yeah. You can have 3 boxes. 115 grand? Okay. There you go, you bet.
Nice. Score number 3. What's up, everybody? As you can see, I went 3 for 3 today at Academy. I started about 8:30 at the first location on West Road, and I finished my day a little bit before 10 o'clock. So in about an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes, I scored 3 times at 3 academies. Again, I'm lucky enough to live within 3 or 4 academies, all within about 20 minutes of where I live. Some people just aren't that lucky. And I really feel for those guys. I wish there's something I could do. So the first academy, I got 3 boxes of 9mm Luger. I think these were, I want to say they were about $15 a box. Next up, I scored 3 boxes of Federal 22 long rifle. $4.99 a box. Good stuff. And last but not least, I scored 3 more boxes of 9mm Federal 115 grain. Good stuff. All in all, today was a solid day of ammo hunting. 3 different academies, 3 different ammos. Again, I met a lot of cool people. I can't stress how important it is to build that local ammo network. You know, exchange phone numbers with people, meet new people, meet new friends, talk to the shops, talk to the employees, find out when the ammo's coming in. A little bit of extra work pays off in the end. Today was a great success. It's not always like that, but you just have to keep trying. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and till next time. There are a few bonus pictures at the end if you want to check them out. Submitted by my buddy Mike. Again, in my ammo network.